This morning is December the 9th, 2020. 7:15 a.m. this morning, we received notice that we were to appear in court at 9 a.m. We were to appear in court at 9 a.m. to pay a fine for a charge that I am not guilty of. This is a charge of something that was fictitiously alleged against my character that happened 21 years ago. Whenever I was imprisoned back in April of 2020, in order to get out of the jail, I signed several papers. One of those papers had this 21-year-old charge against me. Of course, there's several things wrong with that. Here in America, we have the right to a speedy trial. Secondly, there's no way that I can renew my license, hold a commercial driver's license, drive anything with wheels on it like we're certified to do, and have this crime on my record that they're alleging that I have. So 2 months ago, we appealed this charge to the First Circuit Court of Appeals. The First Circuit Court of Appeals, 2-1, ruled in my favor and says, yes, we want to hear from the court and find out why they are charging you with this crime. They had till November 23rd to write to the First Circuit Court of Appeals. They refused to argue their side of the case. We saw that as a victory. We saw that as good wisdom on behalf of Judge Lonnie Miles in the Zachary City Court. We knew it was a bogus charge anyway. At which point this morning, we are ordered to appear and pay the fine for something that we appealed and said is not going to happen. I did not show up in court. We did not pay the fine. My lawyer appeared. The judge did not give him an opportunity to speak. He said to my attorney, I see that your client is not present. I am issuing a bench warrant for his arrest. For 120 days, I'm going to hold this bench warrant. What all that means, your guess is as good as mine. The fact of the matter is, we're not guilty of any crime. However, the judges and the politicians in this city are guilty of many crimes. They are egomaniacal scofflaws. We are law-abiding citizens who only want our freedoms, who only ask to practice their religion freely, who only want their civil liberties. And we will fight for them. This is a matter of principle. This is a matter of right and wrong, good and evil. What we allow in moderation, our children will allow in excess. I'm not going to pay this fine that my children will have to pay 10 times higher tomorrow, that my grandchildren will have to pay 100 times over in the next generation. We've got to hold strong and stand now, or we will lose everything that means anything to us as God-fearing apostolics who are fighting for our religious liberties. So God bless you on this December the 9th morning. Amen.